Hello everybody, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a copy of a Google Doc or Google Slides shared with you. Oftentimes teachers will share Google Docs or slides and ask you to make changes, add your own information, but you won't be able to do that unless you have your own copy. So in order to do that, you're going to start by going to the three dots in the top right hand corner. When you click on there, you're going to see several options. You want to look down and find the one that says Share and Export. Once you click there, you're going to get some new options, and if you look at the very last one at the bottom, make a copy is what you want. So go ahead and click on that. And that's it. You've made your own copy. Now, if you look at the top left corner, you'll see the title has changed. It's always a good idea to change that title and make it your own so that you can easily find it later. So if I go back to the three dots, the very top of my options, I see that copy of how to make a copy. If I click on that, now I can change and edit the title and add my name to it. And you'll easily find that in your Drive or Google Docs files. Thanks.